Goats love that. Stuff is very precise. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, I just gathered everything in again. It's supposed to start raining. We'll see how it goes, but if it doesn't rain, or if it doesn't rain very long, I'm going to grab the tractor, we're going to grab this thing, and we're going to take it up there, and we're going to swap out the little boy's IBC feeder for this. Then I can just take the IBC feeder straight up to the wood yard, and depending on what goes on, we might just split some wood for the rest of the day. I believe Carrie's inside making cheese, so we're going to see what happens. But let me show you what I did here. So I just used an old tin from the barn, and so this piece was exactly 6 feet, so probably could have went another inch longer, would have made life a little easier, I think. But It's not coming off of there. I just added a board to this. Put some motor oil on these. These are 2x4 cutoffs that the Mennonite left. So that's fine too. This thing is ready to go in. It's not the greatest design, but there's no hinges. Honestly, I don't think the goats can destroy it, because everything I've done with hinges and 2x2s and whatever else, the goats have either broke it or it's just falling apart in the weather. So yeah, so I can just slide this off, throw it out of the way, and put hay in, or I can just slide it back that way, shove hay in here and just pull it back. This one here is not, I might have to, I'm going to get another piece of 2x2, I think, and add to this, because that just ain't cutting it. That's annoying. That's what happens when you try to, whoa. Oh, I think they're Orioles. Crazy. Woo! So, I'm going to get another piece of 2x2, if I have one here somewhere, add to that. Something's coming. I can hear it coming down the mountain. So, coming down the mountain when she comes. All right, let me get this.
A few moments later.
All right, people. That was a pretty productive day. I don't know what time it is. It must be pretty late. Because sun's like out here, so it must be 7, 8 o'clock. But that's a pretty productive day. I did the slats yesterday. It quit raining like 4 o'clock, so I got those slats on. I didn't video that. Put that lid on. What else did I do? Just the normal stuff every day, right? Got this thing pulled out, which is awesome. Now they're not crawling in there pooping in it. Got that one put in, got the lid put on. They're up there chowing and having a good time. So that's great because that's less wasted hay. And that's like 2 weeks worth of firewood right there for me. So that's another third of a cord. And then I just left the lid on. I just close the lid and keep the rain off of it. I do have to trim that board. These ones I've used for goat feeders, they have a lot of big holes in them. So I definitely need to watch that next time. But I'm happy. Another third a cord of firewood. So just adding to it. Now I'll get the other one hopefully tomorrow and swap somebody else's out. And I hopefully I can get up here tomorrow night, do another third a cord. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Really happy with what happened today. After the past 5 days, woo! Today was a good day. And I got mozzarella cheese waiting for me down there. So that's awesome. All right. See you in the next one, people. Thanks.